Hello students. Till now we have done land as a resource. Today we are going to start with the soil as a resource. And here we are going to learn about the classification of soil. At the same time, what are the causes of soil erosion? Soil as a resource. Soil is one of the most important renewable resources. It helps in various agricultural activities and supports various living organisms on the earth. It takes millions of years to form up to few centimeters in depth. Factors like forces of nature as well as time play an important role in the formation of the soil. Various forces of nature such as changes in temperature, action of running water, wind and glacier, activities of decomposers, etc. contribute to the formation of the soil. Now as we can see the soil profile in the figure given below, the soil profile shows the layers of the soil. The first we have the topsoil, followed by subsoil, then comes weathered parent rock material, then comes bedrock. All these factors decide what will be the soil at the top level. Now we can come to the classification of soils. Soils can be classified into 6 categories: alluvial soils, black soil, red and yellow soil, laterite soil, arid soil and forest soil. Now let us come to the details of various types of soil. Alluvial soil. It is one of the very fertile soil. It is widely found in North Indian plains. It consists of various proportion of sand, silt and clay. It can be classified into 2 categories: Khadar, that is new alluvial soil, and Bhangar, that is old alluvial soil. It is rich in potash, phosphoric acid and lime, and it is ideal for the growth of sugarcane, rice, cereal and pulses crops. Then comes black soil. These soils are black in color, also known as rigor soil, and ideal for growing cotton and also known as black cotton soil. This type of soil is found in Deccan Trap, that is basalt region, spread over northwest Deccan Plateau and made up of lava flow. They are made up of extremely fine, that is clay material, and are known for holding moisture. This soil is rich in calcium carbonate, potash, magnesium and lime. Then followed by third category, it is red and yellow soil. They are found in the areas of low rainfall like Odisha, Chhattisgarh and Piedmont zone of Western Ghats. They develop on crystalline igneous rocks. It is reddish in color. It is used for cultivation of rice, pulses, sugarcane and wheat. Now we come to fourth one, laterite soil. Laterite has been derived from the Latin word later, which means brick. So laterite soil develops in those areas which is having high temperature and heavy rainfall. In other ways we can say it develops under tropical and subtropical climate with alternate wet and dry season. They are mostly acidic, generally deficient in plant nutrients. The humus content of soil is very low because most of the microorganisms, particularly decomposers like bacteria, get destroyed due to high temperature. They occur mostly in southern states, Western Ghat region of Maharashtra, Odisha, some parts of West Bengal and northeast region. This soil is ideal for tea, coffee and cashew nut cultivation. Now we come to arid soil. It ranges from red to brown in color. Due to dry climate and high temperature, evaporation is faster. The soil lacks humus and moisture. Then, due to increasing calcium content, the lower horizon of the soil are occupied by conker. After proper irrigation, this soil becomes cultivatable. Then we have the forest soil. These soils are found in the hilly and mountainous areas where sufficient rainforests are available. The soil texture varies according to the mountain environment where they are formed. They are loamy and silty in valley sides and coarse grainer in the upper slopes. In the snow-covered areas of Himalayas, these soil experience denudation and are acidic with low humus content. The soil found in the lower parts of the valley, particularly on the river terrace and alluvial fans, are fertile. Now we come to soil erosion. What is soil erosion? The denudation of the soil cover and subsequent washing down is known as soil erosion. Generally, there is a balance between the soil forming process. The balance between can be disturbed by natural or human factors. We can divide there are various types of soil erosion. The first one we have is water erosion and wind erosion. Water erosion is further divided into three categories: sheet erosion, rill erosion and gully erosion. Let us come to them. Sheet erosion. It is the removal of the top layer of the soil over a large areas by the force of running water. Then comes rill erosion. This is the second stage of sheet erosion. Over a period of time, the fine rill increase in number and becomes deeper and wider, resembling branches and trunk of a tree. And this erosion is known as rill erosion. Then we have gully erosion. This is the third stage of sheet erosion, which further erosion of the soil. The rills may deepen and become enlarged and turn into gullies. This happens with removal of the trees. It is also lead to formation of the ravines. Then we have the second one we have is a wind erosion. It is a powerful agent of erosion in arid and semi-arid regions with little rainfall. It lifts valuable topsoil from one region and deposits it in another region. Due to wind erosion, most of the deserts of the world are expanding. So student, today we have started with the soil erosion and we have come to an end soil erosion. We started with the soil as a resource. So tomorrow we are going to start with the conservation of soil and at the same time followed by the revision question.